for us to check back in with the Weather Authority. Yes, we've been talking about it. The bitter cold temperatures has certainly taken over central Indiana. The temperatures are below freezing, and the wind chill certainly makes it feel even colder.
Chief Meteorologist Brian Wilkes is here timing this all out for us in an extended look at our forecast.
Yeah, nice to get a little bit of sunshine out this afternoon. And there's the view as we look at Westfield Grand Junction. You can see the setting sun here in the very left-hand corner of the screen. You know, it's nice to note, too, that we've picked up about 33 minutes of daylight since the first day of December. But this was the coldest morning we've had in 37 days. You got to go back to mid-December when we had a nighttime and early morning temperature that was this cold early this morning. That was at near zero in some spots. 24 is an improvement. The wind isn't doing us any favors because it is producing a wind chill. And while we are opening up the evening fairly clear, these clouds that are coming in from the west are associated with a a warm front that'll be moving through here late tonight, early tomorrow morning. Nice to get the clearing, but often that comes with a price this time of the year. And that was the very cold morning that we just experienced. We haven't had a lot of clear skies here this January, only 2/3 the possible sunshine, and we will through the overnight hours increase the cloud cover, so we will not achieve nighttime temperatures like we did early this morning at 0. One above. Summit Lake out in Henry County went to 3 degrees below 0. Most locations opened in the single digits, but the problem was we still had that breeze, and that wind chill was as much as 15 degrees below 0 in spots. Air temperature is as much as 15 degrees warmer than we were 24 hours ago. We may only settle back another degree or two tonight as the clouds increase and the winds stay out of the south. That warm front will be passing before sunrise, and with it, a wind chill that's still uncomfortable. Feels like it's 9 in Richmond, 13 in Indianapolis, but there may be some flurries or at least a passing snow shower as this warm front lifts and then eventually passes central Indiana early tomorrow morning. We're going to tap into the milder air, at least for one day. There will be 40s arriving in central Indiana as the jet stream temporarily flattens out, but it sharpens up again. And more of that upper level energy from the polar branch of the jet stream is ready to surge south. And a series of cold fronts will sweep the state as we enter the weekend and get ready for more Arctic air. What really has caught our eye and is bringing out the most attention is the potential for a significant snowstorm in parts of the Ohio and Tennessee Valley. Right now, it seems to be taking the southern route. If we get any snow tonight, it'll be very brief into the early morning hours that precede the warm front that tomorrow afternoon should aid our temperature in climbing back into the 40s. Then the winds shift again Wednesday night into Thursday. That's a cold front, and then the colder temperatures will be coming for the rest of the weekend. But what we're watching is the energy that comes out of the southwestern U.S. There it is crossing the California coastline sometime Friday morning. That energy will then begin to stream eastbound. There is a possibility that several inches of snow could be deposited in parts of central southern Indiana, Kentucky, and Tennessee. Still to be determined is the exact track of that low, and it does favor at least more of a southerly track at this point, but it bears very, very close watching. We'll hit 18 and then start to climb overnight to a high of 42. If we get any snow tomorrow, it may be very early on as the warm front passes. Then the winds shift again Wednesday night. We're turning colder on Thursday. Another front passes, an Arctic front, early on Friday. Temperatures will be falling in through the teens and then down below 0 as we start the weekend. Then the clouds arrive Saturday, Sunday. How much snow will fall is still to be determined, but we'll watch that southern system and keep the temperatures cold well into next week.
All right, Brian, thank you.